It's easy to replace the lancet on your Dario. You can find the lancet here, on the end with the opening. To snap off the cover, hold it in your hands like this, and snap off the cover with your thumb. Notice you can snap off the cover from both sides. Once off, take a new sterile lancet from the packaging. We recommend using 30-gauge Dario lancets. Keep the lancet cap on for safety. Now slide the lancet into the slot as far as it can go. Now you can safely twist off the lancet cap. You can adjust the depth of the lancet from number 1, the shallowest depth, to number 4, the deepest depth. To do so, turn the orange dial until it's aligned with the correct depth. We recommend trying on 1, the shallowest depth, and increasing it slowly until you get enough blood. Dario only requires an amount of blood the size of a sugar grain. Once you inserted a new lancet, snap the lancet device cover back on the Dario housing. To remove the lancet, make sure the lancet is released and not loaded like this. Remove the lancet cover and then push up gently with your thumb on the side of the lancet where you see the little tab here. If you push it up past this wall, you can safely remove the lancet. Make sure you dispose of the lancet in accordance with the biohazard laws in your county.